Hey guys, Cash here again with PICO Builders and Remodelers. We're back on that big room addition job that we were on when I talked about fill dirt. Then we were out here filming the video of bearing concrete, pouring the footings. Today, we're here to see the framers. They're out here working. They're putting in engineered floor trusses. You have to have those on this job. We're gonna go over some of the garage area and some other things. So let's go check it out and see the bones of this room addition before it actually starts to get erected. Never get over how cool it is watching all this happen, watching the process. So right now we're standing where the garage is gonna be. As you can see behind me, the gravel driveway comes up and then it's just gonna really transition nicely into this single car garage. And then we have a 2-car garage right next to it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and make sure and like and subscribe. We're gonna keep these videos coming. And remember, for all of your home improvement needs, choose PICO Builders and Remodelers. Keep getting after it.